Hi everybody, I just wanted to come on and make a quick video of some invitations that I'm working on now. The theme is Spa Day. It's a spa party / slumber party, and the file that I used is from the spa slipper shaped card from svgcuttingfiles.com, and this is what I came up with. I haven't actually put the insert in yet with the details on it, because I just wanted to give a mock or give an example on what the slipper would look like. So here are the slippers, and that's the back. The top is just a ribbon and some flat back rhinestones off the reel from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. I love when they put the 50% off sale on these. And then I just used ribbon that was also 50% off from Hobby Lobby. Some black organza ribbon. And her toenails are a hot pink. The card itself is red and leopard print. And it's an African American foot. So that's those, the invitations. And then I did a card also using my silhouette cameo from my uncle. His birthday is on Monday or Tuesday. This week, I know that. This is a Ken Jackson. Is it Ken Jackson? Oh, please forgive me. Stamp, African American male stamp. And I print and cut this using my silhouette cameo. These are recollections, bling behind. And this paper is from the DCWV black and white stack. It's blank on the inside. I haven't wrote anything. It's the elegant card with the matching envelope that I cut using my silhouette cameo. So I hope you guys like what you've seen. Please comment. Thank you, and have a good night.